up guys, Caruso here. Today we're going to be learning how to do a backside blunt on a mini ramp. Now before you start learning this trick, just want to make sure you can backside 5-0 stall. And blunt rock to fakie. Okay guys, so the first two things I think about when I'm coming up for a backside blunt are I need to have my feet in the ollie position, and then I'm also going to come up at a slight angle. Another thing I like to think about with blunts is the second I get into it is the second I pop out, right? And the longer you stay up there, the more fear builds up and it's almost harder to pop out. But if you learn it where the second you come in is the second you snap out, it just kind of makes it a more faster, more consistent motion. And if you're not comfortable enough to attempt to pop in, I recommend just practicing doing blunt to 50-50s and blunt to 5-0s. It's kind of like the same exact motion, just with a pause in between, and it's a little safer. So earlier I was talking about coming up at an angle, and normally when you come up for a blunt, you think about coming up straight, but this might be the most important part of the trick, is coming up at an angle, because once you come up at an angle and then get into the blunt straight, then when you go to pop in, your momentum continues to do the 180, right? So it's almost like you're doing half a kick turn, turning back, and then you go to pop and it finishes the 180 for you. So when I first learned this trick, I used this technique where I would pop in 90 degrees and then I would finish the kick turn in the ramp, right? So if you're doing your blunt 5-0 stall to be safe, the next step would be just to do the same motion, but just inside of the ramp, right? And then once you do that a bunch of times, eventually you'll be able to just do the 180 without pivoting. Okay, then once you're able to pop back into the ramp, you're gonna have a lot of speed when you come in, so just make sure you lean forward. And once you get that trick down, you can try to learn some variations. Alright guys, so this week's Trick of the Week giveaway is sponsored by Fortune Skateboards. If you'd like a chance to win one of these new decks from them, one of their beanies, and a t-shirt, all you gotta do is be subscribed to the YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram, and upload a video to Instagram using the hashtag Trick of the Week. At the end of the week, I'm gonna go through all the entries and then pick a winner. And just leave a comment down below of what trick you'd like to see for next week. Alright, I'll see you guys soon.